Level 2, C. Today, we're going to learn about a concept. Adding two-digit numbers. What are the two-digit numbers? The two-digit numbers are the numbers from 10 to 99. Let's learn about the concept. Adding two-digit numbers. Let's have some examples. 33 plus 41 is equal to 33 and 41 are two-digit numbers. First, add the numbers in the ones place. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then, add the numbers in the tens place. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. The answer is 74. 27 plus 62 is equal to 27 and 62 are two-digit numbers. First, add the numbers in the ones place. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Then add the numbers in the tens place. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. The answer is 89. How about the next example? 134 plus 65 is equal to 65 is a two-digit number. How about 134? Is it a two-digit number? No. Very good. Only numbers from 10 to 99 are the two-digit numbers. Remember, our concept is adding two-digit numbers. So this example does not belong to our concept. It's time for you to do your math task. Good luck!